Hello everyone, welcome to Science Express. Now let's start Current Affairs Capsule, Daily Current Affairs, August, Day 6. Recently, which country host International Conference of Agriculture Economists? हाल ही में किस देश ने इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर इकोनॉमिस्ट को होस्ट किया? नेम ऑफ द कंट्री इज इंडिया. India hosts 32nd International Conference of Agriculture Economists at the Pusa Institute of New Delhi from 2 to 7 August in 2024 after 66 years since it last hosted in 1958. Okay, so name of the country is India. India hosts International Conference of Agriculture Economists. Which ministry recently launched the National Apprentice and Training Scheme NATS 2.0 पोर्टल? किस मंत्रालय ने हाल ही में नेशनल अप्रेंटिस एंड ट्रेनिंग स्कीम को लॉन्च किया? ये 2.0 वर्जन था. सो नेम ऑफ द मिनिस्ट्री इज मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एजुकेशन. Ministry of Education launched the National Apprentice and Training Scheme 2.0 portal and disbursing 100 crore in stipend via direct benefit transfer. It is DBT. Okay, direct benefit transfer. Our Education Minister Sri Dharmendra Pradhan. So, name of the ministry is Ministry of Education. Launch National Apprentice and Training Scheme 2.0 portal. Recently, which country received 9 tons of medical supplies from India to support its health crisis? हाल ही में किस देश ने अपने स्वास्थ्य संकट का समर्थन करने के लिए भारत से 9 टन चिकित्सा आपूर्ति का सहायता ली है? The name of the country is Haiti. Okay, Haiti received 9 tons of medical supplies from India to support its health crisis. As per the report, ISRO has approached which space agency to join its Ramsay project on Apophis asteroid? हाल ही में इसरो ने किस स्पेस एजेंसी को अप्रोच किया टू जॉइन इट्स रामसेस प्रोजेक्ट ऑन एपोफिस एस्ट्रॉयड? नेम ऑफ द स्पेस एजेंसी इज ESA, European Space Agency, and Ariane 6 rocket is also associated with European Space Agency, and they launch it from Kourou, French Guiana Island, and it is a joint venture of Airbus and Safran company. And Roscosmos, it is a space agency of Russia. NASA, it is a space agency of America, and JAXA, it is a space agency of Japan. And South Korea recently launched their space agency, name is KASA, Korean Aerospace Administration. As per the news, which country will host Cricket Asia Cup in the year 2025? समाचार के अनुसार कौन सा देश 2025 में क्रिकेट एशिया कप की मेजबानी करेगा? नेम ऑफ द कंट्रीज इंडिया. India will host the next edition of the Men's Asia Cup cricket tournament in T20 format. Recently, India has won its first medal in Paris Olympic 2024. In which event? Recently, भारत ने पेरिस ओलंपिक में 2024 में पहला पदक जीता है. ये किस कैटेगरी से जीता है? द कैटेगरी इज शूटिंग. मनु भाकर became the first Indian player to win 2 Olympic medals in the one single Olympic edition. She won a bronze in the 10-meter air pistol shooting as well as another bronze in the mixed 10-meter air pistol shooting. And Manu Bhakar from Jhajjar, Haryana. So medal winner is Manu Bhakar. And category is shooting. Recently, India secured operational rights for a terminal at Mongla Port. Mongla Port located in which of the following countries? Mongla Port किस देश में स्थित है? Mongla Port located in Bangladesh, and Bangladesh PM Sheikh Hasina. Which country has recently introduced a bill called COPID to identify the source of AI generated deepfake? किस देश ने रिसेंटली एक बिल पास किया दैट इज कॉपीड फॉर AI जनरेटेड डीप फेक के सोर्स जानने के लिए? नेम ऑफ द कंट्रीज USA, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका। Recently, which country host COP29 in 2024? हाल ही में किस देश ने 2024 में COP29 का मेजबानी करेगा? नेम ऑफ द कंट्रीज अजरबैजान एंड इट्स कैपिटल इज बाकू। ओके, सो Azerbaijan hosted COP29 in 2024. Recently, which country issued the world first रामलला स्टैम्प? हाल ही में किस देश ने दुनिया का पहला रामलला टिकट जारी किया है? नेम ऑफ द कंट्रीज लाओस एंड इट्स कैपिटल इज वियंटियन एंड लाओस recently issued world first रामलला stamp. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Science Express. Thank you.